Unlock nature's secret to combating coughs with the power of ginger. Imagine sipping on warm ginger tea, a blend of freshly sliced ginger root, boiled, then simmered for 15 minutes. Add a touch of honey, a squeeze of lemon, and feel the soothing warmth ease your cough. Now picture a syrup, sweet with honey, tingling with freshly grated ginger. Let it sit, let the flavors meld, then take a teaspoon as needed. Feel it calming your throat, quieting your cough. Finally, visualize a cloud of steam, infused with the essence of fresh ginger. Lean into it, breathe it in. Feel the relief as it clears your congestion, soothes your throat. Ginger, in tea, syrup or steam, is your natural ally against coughs. Harness its power and breathe easy again.